This is coming out so fucking nice with a lot of struggle, but I will get there like I always do. This was the first side. And like you saw, I don't know if you could see it on the time lapse, but I started with bending this the wrong way and straightening it out again and bending it wrong again and two steps, one step forward and 3 steps back, but eventually we'll get there. This is so nice. I love it. Now I just need to do the other side, but for now I'm over it for today. That's it. See you tomorrow. Alright, just to show you or to explain to you why I'm hammering the whole thing down with this piece of metal. You see this small bend here, I can't make that in this. So therefore, to make it as I want it here, you can see this little bend, I have to do it that way, and the other bend here I can make that in this machine, but the rest I have to do in hand. That's the way it goes when you have small amounts of the professionals' tools, but we'll make it anyway. So the exciting moment to get this in and see if it fits like I dreamed about. I'm glad. Look at this. Of course, I have to twist and turn and do everything to fit the rest, but all the length and the width of the whole cap fits just the way I want it. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. I just have to do the twists and turns and get everything to line perfectly. And then we are going to weld it. So now for these triangled side pieces going into the floor. Let's see, it should be right there somewhere. This one on this side and the one on the other side, and then so. So now both of the triangles is like I want it. So I'm gonna make some holes and weld them on, make ready for the top section. And I thought about an idea. I'm gonna make a international sign in the middle of this plate with some structures out of it. But a sign like this, that could be cool. So I'm gonna figure out if that is what I want. Let's see.
I've got 100 miles of East Coast interstate to avoid. Traffic makes a parking lot a Highway 95. I got the cheapest hotel room that I could find. Gonna save my money and stay with her one more night. 'Cause at the end of my drive,
alright, now I almost fucked up again. I've prepared the middle plate and I bent the bend I wanted down here, but I totally forgot. And just before this I had this idea with the logo from the International Harvester logo. But now it's time to do that before I'm gonna bend it in the top as well. Then I can't get it in the bead roller. So now I will try to get a design made on it and see how it looks. And then we bead roll and bend it from there.
Only a moment away set free.
Alright, this brings me a lot of satisfaction. Take a look at this. Holy smokes. Fits just down with this and weld it on. Tight fit. And this, it's nice. Fucking incredible. Incredible.